From the Zaffar tutorial. So today my topic is the importance of literature. So before going to the importance of literature, I am going to tell you some points in the literature. The first point is literature is a part of our syllabus. So you know literature is part of our syllabus. So second point, that is Nobel Prize given to the literatures. Means the literature which if you reading the literature, you can get the Nobel Prize. So by studying the literature, one can horizon at the level of mind is broadened. Means one's horizon is broadened, means the level of mind, your level of mind is broadened if you read the literature. Fourth point is our culture is preserved through literature. You can preserve your culture by the literature. For example, in Pakistan recently launches the Turkish drama Ertugrul Ghazi, and the many youngster Pakistani get up the literature of Turkey. Because of this, our culture is preserved through the literature. So literature transfer the culture. Fifth point, through literature language is beautified. You know, we usually listen the songs, so these are because we do not feel that time is passing continuously or quickly. Because of the literature, because of the rhythmic language, we do not have to issue the passing times in songs. So this is why literature is beautified the language. Now comes to the main parts, that is the importance of literature. So now literature is the timeless piece of entertainment. So literature gives us the entertainment. This is the timeless piece of entertainment. Means when we watch the film, when we read the novel, when we watch the drama, this is the piece of literature, and we are fond of that literature. So second point, that is literature reflect human nature and the way we can learn and relate to others. Means how we get up in society, how we deal with the people. So literature tells all of things to us, that how we can modify our lives. And the first point, that the importance of literature is spark empathy and understanding. What is the meaning of that term? The term's meaning is different feelings of different people. By literature, you are knowing the different feelings of different people. For example, now is in Pakistan continuing the literary drama Raqs Bismil. So you can feel the emotion of that drama, the emotion of that character, how they behave, how they are. So we can feel the feelings of other people through the literature. This is the get up. So if you watch the Ranja Kardi drama, and so how Imran Ashraf get up the role of the Bhole. So this is how magic, I think. So literature passes the feelings through the one people to another people, how he feel. So B is learn about past life. Means history plays a fundamental role in shaping literature. So in literature we use the past stories, past character, past films, or what we are saying that was a past. So when we study literature, we know the history, how the people of that time were living in, how the Anglo-Saxons were expanding their life, how the modern age is, how the Shakespeare write the novel drama. So all we know through the literature. Third point, the importance of literature is escapism and possibilities. Means knowing people's creative thought process, book can take you anywhere and anywhere. So if you reading a novel, you can go through of the book, take you the miles and deep in, and you can feel the emotion, you can get up the knowledge, and you can also get entertainment through the novel, through these things. So knowing people's creative thoughts, and you can also get the knowledge of people's thought, how they think, how they do. So all of these are the importance of the literature. These are the main 3 points which I told you. So if you like this short information, then must subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.